티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어.
This powder will help to get rid of dark patches, get rid of pigmentations, dark spots, and make sure your skin is glowing all the time. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So thanks so much for stopping by. How are you all doing today? I hope you are doing fine. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Do consider subscribing. Hit the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. So this is very simple. They are mostly found in the kitchen. Yes, just mix them together and apply it on those dark patches to get rid of them. Make sure your skin is flawless. So you want to unify your complexion, you want to get rid of bleached skin, you want to get rid of pigmentations and have a uniform skin. Keep watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video to everyone. So let's go ahead and show you how to treat your skin. This treatment I'm about to make will help to control aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines, making sure you look younger than your age. It will help to make your skin glowing. It will help to get rid of dark spots, dark patches, pigmentations, unify uneven skin tone. So you have to get a very clean bowl just like this. First ingredient we have here is oat powder. You have to get the powdered form. If yours is not in a powdering form like this, turn it into one by using your food processor. So that was what I did. I got it from the supermarket and it was not so smooth like this. Oat powder will help a lot to exfoliate your skin, getting rid of dead skin cells that makes your skin looking dull. It contains important antioxidants that will help to make sure your skin is looking the best. It will look younger. With consistent use of oatmeal into your facial masks, it will help to fade away wrinkles and fine lines. Another thing I love about oat powder is it helps to make sure your skin is very soft and it suits irritated skin a lot, moisturizing a very dry skin. Okay, so if you have a dry skin, just be free to make use of oat powder. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of it and it's going to do. What I have here is another exfoliating ingredient, rice powder. So just turn your rice grain into a powdered form or go to a store, supermarket, get rice powder and use it. They are all the same. So rice powder will help to exfoliate your skin. And the difference between rice powder and oat powder is that rice powder will help to fade away dark spots. You know, it has more lightening effect than oat powder. It helps to take care of aging skin as well, and your skin will look so bright and very young. So I'll be adding just a tablespoon of my rice powder, and this is okay. So the next one you have to add is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is very moisturizing. Aside making your hair to grow massively, it helps to make sure your skin is smooth, well moisturized, no wrinkles. It will help to make sure your skin is glowing always. So I'll be squeezing in about a tablespoon of it. Be free to make use of the plant aloe vera gel. Okay, they are all the same. So this is 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. I'll go ahead and mix it before adding the next ingredients. So after mixing it, as you can see, it's still in a thick form. So I'll go ahead and add other ingredients right now. So next I have here is turmeric powder, and turmeric is so very important for your skin, like for every skin type. So this will help to get rid of dark spots, like make sure your skin is evened out. It contains natural bleaching agents, a very potent one that will not make your skin to be bleached because it's natural. It will just brighten your skin, brighten a dull skin, making sure your skin is vibrant, glowing, and looking very attractive. It also possesses anti-aging properties that will help to make sure that you don't have wrinkles anymore. A little of it will go a long way, just a pinch of turmeric. So the next one to add is almond oil. Almond oil will help to keep your skin well moisturized, glowing. It contains powerful antioxidant vitamin E that will help to take care of aging skin, removing wrinkles and fine lines, making sure your skin is supple, very attractive. I will go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of my almond oil. It's a very rich oil that helps to take care of your skin without making it dull or dark. So I will go ahead and mix it one more time. So it's still very in a solid form. I'll go ahead and add either rose water or ordinary water. So be adding your water or rose water little by little until it's in a thick paste. So you have to continue mixing it until there are no lumps in it. When you are done, you go ahead and apply it all over your body. If it's only your face you want to treat, be free to apply it on your face, including your neck. Okay? So I'm transferring it into another bowl, a smaller bowl. Then I'll go ahead and show you how to apply it on your face for best results. So before applying these treatments, just make sure you wash off all makeup. Get rid of this by using a mild cleanser to wash your face or any body parts you want to apply this treatment. To get rid of wrinkles, to glow your skin, to get rid of spots from your skin, you have to apply this treatment. Mix thoroughly together, then apply it like this upwardly. After applying these treatments, you have to leave it on to get dry for 15-20 minutes. When it gets dry, you feel the effect, it will get tighter. Then use a lukewarm water to wash it off. This treatment is 3-in-1 effective. Like, it helps to glow your skin, it helps to get rid of dark spots, it will tighten your skin to remove fine lines and wrinkles. If you apply this treatment under your eyes, as I did, it will get rid of dark under eye circle and as well get rid of wrinkles from your eyes. So just apply it if you do not have wrinkles to keep on, delaying the signs of aging. And also apply it to glow your skin. Apply it to get rid of dark spots. You see that your skin will breathe. Yes, your skin will glow. Your skin will look brighter and very, very attractive. Alright, so just go ahead and wash it off after drying, 15-20 minutes, and it's all good. You will notice how smooth and attractive your skin will be for all skin type: sensitive skin, dry skin, oily skin. And it's also for all skin complexion, dark skin, medium shade, or a very light skin. So this will not bleach your skin, it's just going to brighten your skin, making sure you are looking attractive. So just store the remaining in the refrigerator to be using it 3 times weekly. Thanks so much for watching. Do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.